If you're watching this, you probably have some uneven concrete. Luckily, there's a way to fix it. In this video, we'll compare two popular methods, self-leveling concrete and polyfoam lifting, to help you figure out the best options for your situation. Self-leveling concrete is a popular choice for DIYers because it's relatively easy to use. It's great for minor cosmetic issues and can even out your interior floors, porches, or garage. However, it's not a permanent solution because it doesn't address the actual problem. It just covers it up. Most of the time, concrete settlement is caused by voids underneath the slab. Whether it's from water getting under the slab, changes in the temperature in the soil, or poorly compacted soil that sank after concrete was poured, it all comes back to voids. And that's where polyrenewal comes in. Polyrenewal is a long-lasting fix that addresses the root cause. Polyfoam is injected beneath the concrete slab where it expands to fill voids and stabilize the soil, addressing the source of the sinking. The foam creates a strong, stable base that prevents future settling, and it's lightweight so it doesn't put any substantial weight on the soil. On the other hand, if you pour self-leveling concrete on your floors but don't address the voids underneath, you could actually accelerate the sinking problem because you're just adding more weight to the floor. Now, self-leveling concrete would be good to use when the problem isn't the voids, but the concrete itself. As the concrete dries, it naturally shrinks. And if it didn't cure properly or wasn't properly installed, it can lead to minor cracks. In this case, it would be okay to use self-leveling concrete as a finishing or a covering product, not a fixing product. If you have interior floors that are leaning, we do not recommend self-leveling concrete because you might be dealing with a bigger problem. Seriously, if you see this in your home, don't try to fix it yourself. Instead, click on the video that just popped up to learn more about what you can do. While self-leveling concrete might seem tempting for DIY enthusiasts, it's important to recognize its limitations. So we recommend contacting a professional to diagnose whether the problem is voids or the concrete itself.